cheese is the widely used food in the world. Be it your favorite pizza or pasta, it's a must-have on the list of ingredients. But do you know how many types of cheese are there across the globe? The number is in hundreds. Yes, you heard it right. Why so many types? The texture and types of the cheese differ because of types of milk used for making it and the process used to prepare it. Sources of milk such as cow's milk, goat's milk or sheep's milk majorly determine the texture and taste of the cheese. Moreover, different countries have different authentic ways of making cheese. We will see what are the types of cheese that we must know. Top 9 types of cheese. 9. Monterey Jack. It has origin from California. It's quite popular cheese in various cuisines. Also known as Jack's Cheese. Mostly aged for around a month's time. It has the mild flavor and it melts very easily. 8. Swiss cheese. Like the name suggests, its origin country is Switzerland. It's medium hard in texture. It has holes which makes it stand out from other cheese. The bacteria used for preparing the cheese is responsible for holes texture. It's a good source of calcium, vitamin B12 and has lesser calories, considered other types. It has savory taste and sweet salty. 7. Gruyère cheese. This cheese is all the way from Germany. Slightly similar to Swiss cheese. It melts very finely. It is commonly used in fondues. Aged for minimum 5 months to the year. It is hard in texture and slightly yellow in color. Slightly sweet and salty to taste. Also used in various pasta and soups. 6. Feta cheese. Its origin is in Greece. Now used widely in a variety of salads. Either made from cow's milk or sheep's milk. It is aged minimum for 3 months. It has both firm and soft creamy texture variants. Apart from Greek salads, it's also commonly used in pastries and pies. Good source of vitamin A, calcium, zinc and vitamin B. Number 5. Brie cheese. The birthplace of this type in France. It's made of cow's milk. It has a soft texture. Unlike other cheese, it is not aged. Because it can create molds in it and can smell bad. It's a good source of protein and vitamin B12. It's eaten for breakfast with grapes and berries. 4. Gouda cheese. It's a famous cheese from Netherlands. Now popular worldwide. Made from cow's milk. Like much other cheese, it can be matured from 4 weeks to a year. The more mature, the better in taste. Smoked Gouda cheese is popular. 3. Sharp Cheddar cheese. This style of cheese is produced in many countries across the globe. We may have heard about cheddar cheese. Do you know, it comes in 3 types: mild, tasty and extra sharp. Sharp is for acidic. Extra sharp being more acidic than mild and tasty. This commonly known as New York style cheddar. Used commonly in cheese dips and pies. 2. Parmesan cheese. It has origin from Italy. Generally, made from cow's milk. It is aged for almost 1 year to 3 years. Parmesan has hard and granular texture to it. Popularly called as king of cheeses. Commonly, it is put in a grated form of risottos, pasta, and soups. 1. Mozzarella cheese. No wonder this cheese ranks as the most popular cheese in the world. Its country of origin is Italy. It's common in our favorite Italian dishes like pizzas and pasta. We love this cheese in our pizzas and pasta, don't we? It is commonly prepared with buffalo's milk, while other milk variants are also popular. It's semi-soft in texture. And total fat content is 22%. Health tip: which one is this cheese best for health? The winner is Swiss cheese. It has high protein content and moderate fat content, which makes it a good source of protein for health-conscious people. Also, It has highest levels of B12, zinc, calcium, and protein compared to other cheese.